So in this, the function I've set this ID to be a set interval, and I'm giving a callback. So callback sets a name as frame, comma 5. So 5 seconds or the delay it will take. Okay. So here it is frame. Frame is nothing but is a callback function. Just come here and give function keyword and then frame. So inside this, I'm giving a if keyword. The portion is going to be some 350. So 350 portion is nothing but see here. So it is in some 400 pixels, right? So it will be rechanged to 350. Portion is 350 now, and you need to clear the interval. See here. So you need to clear the interval. So once it reaches 350 pixel, to null value, and then if not, if that is not a thing, then the quotient will be increased. The quotient value will be increased, and I will increment the value by e dot style dot pop equals to the position plus and e dot style dot left equal to position plus x. So like this it will be. Let's close this off. It will be open. Sorry, here I have not. I hope it works now. So now you can see the position as it comes from the left to right. So this is how it will be processed. Okay. So this is all about JavaScript. So now we will learn what are the basics of Bootstrap. So if you have any doubts in JavaScript, you can ask me. So first we will go to the official website of Bootstrap and we'll see what is Bootstrap. So this is the official website. So actually this is a framework. So framework is nothing but if we are trying to create a template which is same as in the Twitter, so we can go with this Bootstrap. Okay. So this framework is really easy to use. Either you can download the folders. See here, you have a download options. You can download this using the CSS file and JS file, or else you can use the CDN link directly. Okay, so we will discuss this. Let me open the PPT once. Okay, no issues. I will get it. Okay, let me share the bootstrap details. So what is bootstrap and how we are going to project it. Okay, so this is bootstrap. Okay, so see here in this, why we are going for this. Actually, whatever the project you do, okay, it should be, compatible with all other devices. Example, if I'm creating the thing, so it should be compatible with my laptop as well as my mobile, and it should be compatible with the tab also. Okay, so that's the main criteria. So how we are going to design this? So what are the things we are going to create? So whatever we have come across in css, the same thing which is going to apply here also. Okay, like mobile first website and the basic elements of bootstrap, and how the way you are going to give the images. Okay, but here, see, if example we can take Neelim or Pavitra. Okay, they are well versed in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and they are planned to create some predefined things like a framework. Okay, they have created. So for each and every styles, they have created some predefined classes. Using that, we can have that special things in our coding. Okay, so that predefined classes we are going to learn in this bootstrap. So it's a mobile first approach. Okay, and so what are the plans we have before you're going to know about bootstrap? So you need to, either you can do any one. Okay, either you can go with the CSS bundles, or either you can go with the SAS and JavaScript file, or the CDN. Okay, content delivery network. So as of now, the latest version is Bootstrap version 5, and you can use Internet Explorer 11. Sorry, for this it is not supported, and jQuery is replaced it with Vanilla. You see, Bootstrap website. So there are so many different versions are here. Okay, if you go with the third version, and if you check details, so the things, there will not be any Java vanilla JavaScript file will be there. So there will be a jQuery files will be inserted. So I'll show you. Yes, this is a CDN link. They have used only the, JavaScript files. Okay, so they have not used any, complicated library files here. Okay, so before and all, in the third and the fourth version, there will be some jQuery things will be added. So here there is only one JavaScript things has been uploaded. Okay, this is how it will be. And so what is Bootstrap? So what's it is all about? So Bootstrap is actually helps in building the website and web quickly. Okay, and instead of writing a lots of CSS code and giving more time to spend on web designing pages, just we can go with the this Bootstrap. So everything is similar to the CSS and JS. If you know JS and CSS, you can go with this. Okay, and what are the versions we had? So from, four in the four version itself, you can see there are so many, updates we can see. So now it is in version 5 alpha. So why we are going for this bootstrap? So why, what is the main purpose? So actually it is easy to use and responsive. So it will be adjustable to phone, tablets, and desktop also. Okay. In the mobile first approaches, this is a mobile first approach, and the browser it supports and compatible with. So all the modern browser. So the difference between Bootstrap 3 and 4. So previously we have some versions, right? So before Bootstrap 5. So see here, it is based on the four-tier grid system. Okay, this is a five-tier grid system. So grid, I will tell you. So what it is. So after go through this PPT. So it is, compared to your devices, whether it is a small, extra small, or small device, or a medium device. If you go here, okay, just I right click on this, go to the inspect. inspect, here you have an options, right? See here, Galaxy Ultra and NetHub Max and Pixel. So like this, there are so many different variations we have in this. Okay, so for that, it get changes. What are this device length it has, and so the button size BTN-X is not supported. So I will tell you what all these, and the font size is default. So it is 14 pixel in the third version, but when you go to the Bootstrap 4, it is 16 pixels. And in this place, there are 5 tires, and here we have in the Bootstrap 5, we have 6 tires. Okay, so this is a starter template. So whatever the frameworks you learn, just know what is the frameworks, sorry, templates we are going to use. Just go here and type starter template. Just click on this. Just come here. Here you can see the starter template. Okay, so it is same as our CSS, but I will tell you. Just go here and I am creating a new file. File, save as, and I'm giving a name as bootstrap.html. You will be saving the file as .html only. You're just going to include it using a CDN, or you can give a source file in your directory so that it will be working. So what is the thing is, you need to mention doc type HTML HTML/HTML. Inside this, I have two things. One is head slash head. That is the body element slash body. Inside this head, I'm just giving a title. Bootstrap slash title. So in this body element, I will give some text. So what is will be given to in this HTML? Okay. So what are the things we are going to? So here you need to mention the language. So languages I'm going to use English. So EA. If it is Arabic, you need to use here. You can see it is in Arabic language, and the direction is from right to left. So normally we will write it from left to right, right? So here it will be right to left. And then so in the head element we will mention some two important things. Okay, so one is meta char set. So char set is nothing but to say the UTF, that is uniform, that is sorry, UTF is nothing but stands for transformation format. So that format is to store the values. Example, you can take any ASCII code like A, B, C, like that. Okay, it will get stored, right? So for that, converting purpose, we are going for this UTF. So before it was 16, and then it was 32. So now it is 8. Okay, and the name is, I will give it as a viewport. Okay, name is viewport, and the content should be width is equals to device width. What is your width? That is device width. It will calculate that. Viewport is nothing but whatever the user sees. So this is a frame which the user sees, right? So that is called as a viewport, and initial scale is 1. So why we are giving initial scale as 1 is nothing but if I create some page, okay, and what happened to that page is previously, if my width is width of my text, or I can say for an image, okay, so I'm giving some 50 pixel, but when I'm opening that image, it will show it as 100 or 200 pixels. So that will not be good, right? So you have to give an initial scale, nothing but it's a zoom level of 100%. That is, as we mentioned, as initial scale is equal to 1. Okay, you need to mention these two things, char sets and this one. Okay, after doing this, see here, come down. In this particular thing, you have a bootstrap CSS link. So what it is? So this is a CDN, that is Content Delivery Network. So if you have created any framework and then just you are posting it in a this JS Deliver, so it will create some link. So that link you are going to create. So link means what? It is a CSS file. Okay. So this is a CSS dot CSS file. This is a dot CSS file. So but this one is a minimized one. You just go here, leave it like this. So next thing is, you just copy this script. So script is Java files, that is a vanilla JavaScript file. I'll just put it in the body element. So these are the two links we need it. If you are doing it in an online mode, if you're doing it in online mode, it will work. But if you're going to do it in an offline, then it will not work. You have to download this particular folder. Okay, you have to download this particular folder. Now, this coding. So after doing this, you can implement your text. So now I'm giving h1 slash h1 and I'm giving my text. Okay, like bootstrap file. Go here and so just go and run it. As in, so see here the text has been so different. I just right click on this, inspect, and here you just select this and go here. You can see what is the font size. It is 16 pixel. When you click on this, the totally it is showing some 27 point some font size it is displaying. Okay, so what happened is the text of each and every character. Okay, the each and every character will be a lightweight. Okay, so we'll see what are the things. So first you should know what are the templates we have. So if you're trying to use it in the without using CDN, then you have to download the file. So first we'll know what is BS5 colors. So bootstrap color is nothing but if I'm trying to color some text. Okay, if this is a text, you need to use a predefined texting. So class, one second, ma'am. So you need to use a class is equals to, I will use the predefined class name. So text hyphen, so BG color or BG color I will go. I will go with the background color. So BG is success. So this is a predefined class which has some green color, but it is not totally a dark green. So it will be light green. So let's check. So what happens? See here, it's see the background. So it is in a dark, that is somewhat. It will be in a light green color. Okay, and the text also in the black color. So if you want to change the text, then you need to mention this. You need to use a contextual classes, give a space, and add text hyphen subs. I need some red, so I'm giving a predefined thing that is green color. So red color is a danger. If you go through this PPT, you can see the different colors. I will mention as much as possible. Just copy this. Okay, I'll change this to the 2, heading 2. It's going to be heading 3, 3. I'll remove last one. Okay, and we can also change the colors. I'm giving it as a secondary. So secondary will be a gray color, and I'm giving an info. So info will be in some light blue color. And I'm giving a primary. This info will be in green and blue mix. Primary will be in a blue color. So blue, I will go with some dark. So dark is a black color. So let's check. So like this, it will be displayed. Okay. To know about the colors, more colors, just click on this. If you go here, you can see the multiple colors has been displayed. Like this, you can. So next, how to create a alerts and buttons. So we'll go with the alert alone. So then tomorrow we'll continue with the buttons. Okay. So now I will create a alert. So what is alert? It will create some box. Okay, entire box will be in a alert message, and you can use a cross button for this. So I think we have less time, so we'll go with a button. So how to create a button? To create a button, you need to use a button element and what is a predefined class. So first the type is button. The predefined class is going to be a BTN. So now I'm going to give the color for this BTN as primary. I will give some text here. Copy this. Like this I've mentioned, and I'm changing the color alone. See here, there are so many different colors of button which is appearing. Okay, you can also change the size of the button. BTN hyphen LG. See here it is large and this is small and this is in the medium. So and then in the button itself we have so many things. I'll tell you. See here. So we know how to create a color. And also you can give the outline button. So how it is possible? Nothing but you just need to add like this. In the VTN, you need to mention outline, VTN outline. See here. So everything in the outline position. Okay. And what other things we can do? Sizes we already discussed. So we need to use BTN, LG and small if it is thing. And disabled means you have to use the Boolean attribute. So if it is active, you have to use active. So just I'm giving this gonna be a disable. And if you run this, sorry, so if you run this, you can see, so nothing has been changed here. But if you click on this, something it is displaying, right? But it is not displaying anything. So that is called the Boolean attribute. You can use that as well. And what is block button? So block button will take the entire thing. So for this, you need to use dgrid. So grid concept you need to mention. Yes, that's all for this button.